Yeah, I wanted to show you something. So a while back, I tweeted this. Laravel has a pipeline problem. Young devs aren't learning Laravel in boot camps or college. They're learning JavaScript, React, Next.js. What are some creative ways to fix this? And in the comments, people mentioned that there's actually a lot of problems right now. You know, juniors just aren't getting hired very much at all anyway. And definitely, you know, in college and universities, they're learning other web stacks basically. And so I was thinking about this, and then I got approached by a local college grad here in my little town of Vernon. He just graduated with his CompSci degree, looking for his first job. He asked me, you know, if I had any leads on people that might be hiring. He'd done dozens and dozens of interviews. Nobody is hiring junior devs. Nobody's hiring people fresh out of college. And so I have had this idea for a web app in the back of my mind for a long time. And I thought this would actually be a fun project. This was at the beginning of the summer. This would be a fun project for a new college graduate to work on. And it would be basically a greenfield development, brand new app, and a really fun project for a new grad to work on. And the idea is that over the years, Transistor has made all sorts of merch. And we've found that giving away free swag, free t-shirts, free hats is a great way to promote our brand. And so we've done these t-shirts here with this little dinosaur. This skull and headphones shirt has been really popular. I wear them as well. And usually what happens is we'll give away a t-shirt. We'll send somebody a pack of swag, and almost always they will tweet about it, or they'll share it on their Instagram, or they'll wear it in YouTube videos or on TikTok. And so this has been a really good channel for us. It's been a good marketing approach for us. And I thought it would be great to build an app that simplifies this. Now, on the back end, we've been using Printful. You know, they allow you to create products, and they handle all the shipping and fulfillment and everything. So they'll do print on demand and embroidery on demand. The downside with Printful is that they don't make it easy for people to give away swag or even to run any storefront at all. They're kind of the back end, and you connect it to Shopify or, you know, some sort of storefront software. But I wanted to have a totally different use case, which is I want to be able to send people a link and then let them choose the swag they want and put in their shipping address, put in what color they want, what size they want, click submit. It automatically submits it to Printful. They print it on demand or embroider it on demand, send it to the fan or the customer, and then they charge us, in this case, Transistor, for, you know, all of that. But it's been a great value for us because we get all of this free promotion. And so I had him build a little Laravel app. This is a little scary showing this live because I think I don't want to. It's still, you know, we're about to launch it maybe in the next 3-4 weeks, and but yeah, I just want to give you a little demo. This was created by somebody who had really never built a web app or a SaaS using Laravel before. First big Laravel project for sure. All right, so this is SwagFan, and what it does is it allows you to create these links. Well, first of all, it allows you to connect your Printful store. So let me show you what it looks like when you create a link. So we'll call this live stream giveaway, and we're going to add products. And you can see that once I'm connected to Printful, it automatically pulls in all of the products that I've created in Printful. And so we could say, for example, we want to give away this shirt or this one and allow people to choose either of those. Let's do a fun one too. Let's do this one here. All right. So now these are the shirts that people can choose from. And let's say total uses, let's just do 3. So whoever's here on the live stream will get a chance to redeem one of these here. So we're going to create this link. And now, actually, you could if you wanted to, scan that QR code, you would be able to access this link. So let's just copy this link here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here we go. Yeah, so I chose 3 shirts, and now people can choose, like in my case, I'm usually a medium or a large, and these heavyweight shirts are really awesome, but I found I'm actually usually a large in there, and I can choose my color. Maybe I want something like this in a large. And so I can just add it to my cart and then put in my shipping details and get that stuff sent to me. And people would put in their phone number just to verify that they're not a bot trying to rip you off. So we'll put in a phone number there, get it to send you a code. Then you put in the code that you get via text message. And then as a receiver of swag, you get to choose your color and your size if you wanted to, and then add that to the cart. And if we had multiple items, you could choose whatever item you wanted here. Then you continue to shipping. And now I can put in, my name, Justin J. I can put in my email, my address, and then it would actually ship it out to me and order it through Printful. So that's how those links work. We've been testing it out. There's been a few bugs, but I think we've got them mostly ironed out. And the cool thing is that it makes it so easy to just like DM somebody a link. Like the other day, I tweeted, where is it? Oh yeah, who wants one? And I got 65 responses. And I just was able to scroll through and DM people. A lot of these were customers. Here's Ben Gilbert from the Acquired podcast. A lot of Laravel folks in here. And so I just DM'd them the giveaway link, and they were able to redeem and have a hat sent to them, which is just embroidered on demand by Printful, shipped by Printful. I don't have to warehouse any of this. It's like an automatic swag giveaway machine that just runs on with this app that we built and Printful on the back end. Oh, and then the other cool thing is in terms of, other benefits of this is you get a list of everybody who's received swag from you. So you could follow up by email. You could send them other things in the mail in the future. So if you wanted to send them a Christmas card or something like that, you're going to have a list of all the people you've sent swag to, their names, emails, phone numbers, and their address. And then you can, send them more stuff in the future and create better customer relationships, encourage some of this, just people tweeting out when they are wearing your swag, when they receive a gift from you in the mail. That's always really exciting. And I've always just been into merch, and having this way of creating these giveaway links and have it kind of all run automatically has been really fun. Oh, sweet. Hey, Miguel. I was wondering if anyone would see this late in the day. Good to see you. Yeah, thanks. This is really fun. And I think even more than it being really fun for me, I think this has been such a testament to how good Laravel is, that I could hire this kid who just gotten out of university and give him this project with very, very, very little direction, and using just Laravel, Alpine, Livewire, and Tailwind, he was able to put this together. And there's some some UX things that we're going to make sure we fix. But, really, he's done a great job and was able to build this end to end in 6 weeks. And we're going to charge for it. So pretty soon we're going to launch this. This young developer that worked on this with me is going to get to see the full cycle of here's the idea, here's the concept, here's what we're trying to do, here's why we're trying to do it, here's who it's for, here's the different users, right? There's the people who are going to be redeeming these swag links, and then here's the people that want to give away merch, and just thinking about both those users. And he's also implemented Stripe billing on it as well. So we're going to do a full launch and see if people will pay for it. We're thinking $99 annually. So you sign up for SwagFan, and then you connect it to your Printful store. In the future, we'll offer other kind of back-end print-on-demand solutions, other warehousing solutions, and then also offer the option if people want to just fulfill these orders manually themselves, they'll be able to do that. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. It was really fun to work on. Like I said, if some of you want to try to redeem that link that I just created, just choose yourself a shirt. So scan that code. The first 3 people to scan that code can choose a shirt for themselves. This is print on demand, and these are embroidery on demand, and it'll get shipped to you. I think we've done about 10 or 12 orders this way already. So we've given away 12 hats so far, I think, using SwagFan. Yeah, I'm excited for other people to use it to redeem stuff. But then eventually I'd like to get other companies using it, folks that want to give away swag. Oh, the other thing that's really cool is with Printful, you can also use their warehousing program. And so some people don't like the print-on-demand ink. Now, I've found that depending on the blend of shirt you use, that print-on-demand ink can be better. It also works really good for like a big multicolor flat print. Whereas if you have kind of line drawings like our skull and headphones shirt, this really does better as a screen print because it's a little bit more, it's just these line drawings don't do as well with print on demand. But some designs, print on demand is better. Some designs, screen printing is better. And so what I'm going to do is get a bunch of shirts screen printed. I'm going to send it to Printful, get them to warehouse it, but then I'm going to use these giveaway links to make it work. I am curious for folks that have companies and give away stuff, if this is compelling to them. Like I said, Transistors really benefited from these kind of automated swag giveaway things, but we've been manually having to input those orders into Printful, and it always feels weird asking, DMing someone for their size and their address, and just to have them be able to choose their own size, their own color, put in their address, not have that like information in my DMs, and then it just gets transferred over to Printful is really cool. And then, being able to have a list of people who have redeemed, these who have gotten merch before and send them stuff in the future just seems so cool.